Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download Google Gemini app on Android. So for the end of this, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Play Store app on your Android phone. Now once opened, click on search at the bottom right and then search for Gemini. Click on search. And then on the search results, locate Google Gemini and click on it. Now go ahead and hit the install button to download and install the Google Gemini app on your Android phone. You can see the time it takes to download and install the Gemini app on your iPhone depends on the strength of your internet connection. And once the Gemini app is downloaded and installed on your Android phone, you can either go to the app menu or come to your home screen and open the Gemini app. Then you can also search for Gemini. Once downloaded, open it, and that is it. Then that is exactly how to download and install Google Gemini on Android. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.